Hey, what's up guys? This is me, Esmatullah Ghani, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Okay guys, 2020 is over and thank God we passed this year. 2020 was a difficult year to almost anyone, but anyway, we passed 2020 and every year is a new opportunity to anyone to become successful, use from every moment of their life. Every year we should have plan to reach our goals and try to become successful. In my opinion, 2021 is the best year to reach that goal that you have in your mind and try to do your best to reach your goals in 2021. Hopefully everybody is trying to vaccinate. The COVID-19 vaccine. It is good news to all of us. We should vaccinate ourselves to be safe from COVID-19 and it can protect us from COVID-19. 2020 is over and you have a new year. I wish you a happy new year. I hope you become successful in 2021. We should try to be more productive in this year and try to have plans to do in this year. We should read the books and improve our information. We should work on our talent. We should take classes and courses. In this year, I have a plan to reach to 500 subscribers in my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it in the last year, but in this new year, I want to make more content for you guys and I want to increase my subscribers and I want to be more productive in this year. And in this year, I have to work on my English and I should study English. Hopefully I took English class and this year I want to learn computer programs and my father bought a laptop to me and I'm really happy for that and I decided to learn computer programs. I want to take computer class too and in this year I want to read more books and also I want to work in my Pashto language because I study language and literature of Pashto. I want to be more fluent in Pashto too. In this year I want to reach 500 subscribers in my YouTube channel in this year in 2021 and I want to take classes and courses, English class and computer classes, and I want to work on my Pashto language and yeah, pretty much it. I hope you're doing well and I wish you a happy and joyful and a successful year and happy 2021. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell icon to get all of my updates. If you want to be in touch with me, you can follow my Instagram page. I will post my stories on my Instagram page. You can check them and you can like my Facebook page too. Yeah, pretty much it. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can comment down below. I'll read your comments. Before ending this video, I wish you a happy new year once again. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.